Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna some golf ball vlog today. We've done this a couple times, but they get really repetitive, so this is our first one of the summer at the golf course waiting for Eli. And then we're gonna look. Look who that is. You won't see a lot of him this summer. Okay, be right back. Caught him. You're doing good. Okay, let's go. You get that. Then you just jump over. Apparently walking into this cool place. Yeah, it's up there somewhere. Just look at that water bottle. Oh, that water bottle.
It's a perfect Instagram picture.
I know, right? Look at that. Looks beautiful. Thumbnail. Apparently trying to get across this. It's quite hard. I'm gonna die. Currently, I'm lost from Eli and Joel. Like, they're just up here, and I was down there, and I went up here, and they went down there, and I don't want to go back over there because it hurts my legs a lot. And I hear him. Eli! Eli! They suck at hearing. If you're watching this, Olive Panda, you suck at hearing. Just got out of that torture chamber. My God! Stinging nettles. These people's yards are full golf balls.
My dad said no.
He did? Okay.
You should cover it.
Going. Okay, we're leaving. Hey, what's that? Boy, get wrecked. Was that a Pro V?
Yeah.
He's fired. Oh. You're fired. Okay.
Poots.
Poots.
Dang,
How do you fit?
I don't know.
That's pretty skilled, if you ask me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Leaving, whoa, what's that? Leaving Eli's house. Wait, what is this? What is that? What is that?
Movies.
Okay. Good stuff. In 7. Yeah, we should get him something. In 7. We just saw this homeless guy that we know.
You could buy me something, right?
So yeah, we're gonna do that.
You could buy.
Currently going to Petco to look at some stuff. And yeah. Look at them. 19 cents.
Guys, I think I have enough money.
You do though. That's a lot of water.
Line 1.
Bird.
How much does one of those cost?
$4.
Or I could get one of these for...
Hey, you could get one of these. Look at him go. Dude, he's a beast.
I want this.
Should this be the thumbnail? I think this should. Look at this. I think that should be the thumbnail. Joel's about to ask if he can buy a fish. Oh my God. What the heck? So we just got a fish tank.
To get a fish?
We're gonna get a fish and then put the fish in this tank, but we're gonna fill the tank with gravel. So yeah, might work.
Is it recording?
Stop.
Okay, fine. West Side Productions announcement. We're deleting the channel, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Dude, it's only 3 cents.
Alright guys, we're buying a game.
We just got back from GameStop. Just got back from GameStop. And yeah, going to go home and do some things. Dude! Get him, kill him, kill him.